think during my holiday, I will spend my holiday here. Because it's nice. There's a bench. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. The tree, yellow flower. What's the kind of trees? I want the red. So look at that. So pretty. And then we have poisonous. Poisonous rabbit. So they put some poisonous for the rats. Poison for the rats. So you cannot just over in there. Wow, so pretty. See? Pretty place to sit clean. Yeah. See? So here. So clean. So it's nice to stay here during holiday. So I might stay here to spend my rest day. Yeah, so pretty to look at. I'm in the seaside. Wow, so good. Like I enjoy the sunset here. Look at the sun here, so still bright. What a beautiful view. You can do some activity here like running, walking. And over there is a big park for the children.